If you've ever searched for a playlist transfer tool, chances are you've heard of TuneMyMusic. It's one of the most popular playlist transfer services available today. But is it actually the best choice? In this video, we're going to test TuneMyMusic, look at its strengths and weaknesses, and see whether there's a better alternative depending on your needs. Let's get started. TuneMyMusic is a cloud-based playlist transfer service designed to help users move playlists and music libraries between different streaming platforms. It supports a wide range of services, including Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, Amazon Music, Tidal, Deezer, SoundCloud, and many more. One of TuneMyMusic's biggest advantages is its simplicity. Everything happens directly in your browser. There's no software to download, no installation process, and no setup required. Because the entire service runs in the cloud, you can start a transfer from virtually any device with an internet connection. It's also surprisingly fast. For most users, transferring playlists takes only a few minutes, and honestly, that's exactly why TuneMyMusic has become so popular. Now let's take a look at pricing. TuneMyMusic offers both a free plan and a premium subscription. The free plan allows you to transfer up to 500 songs. The premium plan removes that limitation and includes unlimited song transfers, cloud backups, automatic playlist syncing for up to 20 playlists, and watermark removal. Pricing starts at just $2 per month when billed annually, or $5.50 per month, with a monthly subscription that can be canceled at any time. For casual users, that's a fairly affordable option. Now let's put it to the test. For this review, we're transferring a YouTube Music playlist containing several hundred songs over to Spotify. The setup process is extremely straightforward. After connecting both accounts, TuneMyMusic quickly scans your libraries and displays all available playlists. You can select a single playlist, choose multiple playlists, or transfer everything at once. Once selected, the matching process begins automatically. In our test playlist containing just over 100 songs, more than a dozen tracks failed to match successfully. Different streaming platforms have different music catalogs, licensing agreements, and metadata structures. As a result, some songs simply aren't available on the destination platform. If you're only transferring a small playlist, this may not be a major issue. But if you're migrating thousands of songs, even a small mismatch rate can quickly add up to hundreds of missing or incorrectly matched tracks. That's something power users should definitely consider. Another limitation worth mentioning is playlist export support. TuneMyMusic currently supports exporting playlists in only two formats, TXT and CSV. For basic backups, that's usually enough. However, users who need more flexibility may find this restrictive. For example, if you want to import playlists into other applications, create advanced backups, or edit playlists in different environments, additional formats can be very useful. This is one area where Playlist Go offers a clear advantage. Playlist Go supports more than 10 export formats, including M3U, M3U8, PLS, XML, CSV, XLS, TXT, and several others. For users who regularly back up playlists, migrate between services, or manage large music collections in Excel, this added flexibility can be extremely valuable. So how does Playlist Go compare overall? Unlike TuneMyMusic, Playlist Go is a desktop application that runs directly on your computer. While it may not be quite as convenient as a cloud-based service, it offers more stable desktop performance. This becomes especially important when you're working with large libraries containing thousands of songs. It can move playlists, albums, liked songs, and more in minutes and supports 10 major streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, Tidal, Deezer, and more. And unlike subscription-only services, Playlist Go also offers a lifetime license option, allowing you to pay once and continue using the software indefinitely. So here's the simplest comparison. Both tools help you move your music between streaming platforms without rebuilding your playlists from scratch. If convenience is your top priority, TuneMyMusic remains one of the easiest and most accessible solutions available. But if you care more about accuracy, privacy, control, and advanced backup options, Playlist Go is definitely worth considering. The best choice ultimately depends on how you manage your music library. And if you've used either TuneMyMusic or Playlist Go before, let us know about your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.